Yes, it is. We'll
Okay,
have
good.
a mix of clouds and sunshine. All right, I'm done. Go ahead. We'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine for today. Temperature-wise, it'll be around normal in the lower 70s, so not bad into our weekend. Here's a shot outside right now. We're looking at the Empire State Building. Just a gorgeous day. You can see we've got a mix of clouds and sunshine out there right now. This will pretty much be the picture as we head throughout the day, so it'll be fairly nice. A nice day to ride the bike or maybe to go for a stroll through the park. Conditions right outside at Central Park is 64 degrees. Humidity at 67%. The barometer's on the rise. We've got variable winds at 3 miles an hour. Now here's a look at some of the other temperatures across the area. Actually, let's head to the tropics and see what's going on. Tropical depression Rita, you can see right now pushing its way through Arkansas. Very heavy rains around St. Louis as well as Memphis, and it's starting to push right onto in Kentucky and Tennessee and continue its track on northeast as we head into Monday and Tuesday. So if you're asking, will we see a little bit of Rita as we head into the start of the work week? And the answer is yes. Let's take a look at the track. Switch on over to the other system guides. You can see that area of low pressure just over Arkansas. And as we head throughout the next 24 hours, it'll continue to push its way on northeast. Then, as I said, we'll get a little bit of rain for that. I'll show you more of that in just a little bit. Right now, temperature-wise, 53 degrees in Arlington, Danbury at 47, 55 in Montgomery. Zooming on out, kind of cool out there this morning, but for the most part, it looks very nice. We're getting a few peaks of sunshine in there. Here's a look at what's going on. We've got high pressure just offshore. It's ushering in southerly winds, so we'll have mild temperatures for today around the 73 degrees mark. That is normal for this time of year. But as we head into Monday and Monday night, it looks like humid conditions, also moisture from Rita will push its way into the tri-state area, and also we'll get some moisture from this cold front moving just over the Great Lakes. So kind of a shot from two different areas. So scattered showers Monday night and possibly some thunderstorms and some scattered showers Tuesday morning. Out there right now, as I said, looking pretty nice. Here's the cloud cover, and you can see where the cloud cover is coming from. That cold front just over the Great Lakes. But the good news is we're not expecting any wet weather for today, so you don't need the rain gear. A pleasant day on tap, 73 degrees for the high temperature today. Then as we head into tomorrow, getting warmer, and that's the humid, moist conditions from Rita that will take us to the warmer temperatures as we head into the start of our work week. But late in the evening, it looks like PM storms as that cold front slides right on in. And here's your AccuWeather forecast for today. Sun and clouds storms, but today, just a fantastic day. So if you have any outdoor plans, great day for it.
Good. Dive in. All right, cool.
Thanks, Janine.
Coming up later in our show, a look at where your charitable donation